Before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Wall Street Tactical. In this video, we're going to be talking about the ALFleet core stocks, as they're predicted to get a great deal of profit in the coming days. We're going to be talking about the same in this video, so make sure you keep watching until the very end. Let's start by knowing more about the company. ALFleet is a US-based company which provides electrical solutions for commercial vehicles in the USA. It's mainly resolved in the northern USA, and the company is increasing its trade with every coming day. Since October 2019, Dmitry N. Kazarnov has been the CEO of ALFleet, and he is, of course, a new name in the managing committee of the company. Well, he has around $650,000 as the compensation charges, which might seem like a lot, but as compared to the average, it's much less than the projected $2.6 million of similar scaled companies. The volatility of the stock has been really decent in recent times. Comparing the prices from the last 3 weeks, it's shown a deviation of just 9%, which is quite decent. You might not want to see anything greater than that, right? If you want to see in the longer run, then as well, the volatility of the prices has reduced from 20% to as little as 9% now, which is a great sign. The revenue of ALFleet is around 74%, which is a great number, and you would like to see this as much as it can grow, right? So if you're to compare this with the average market growth in the USA, that's just around 9%. It's a great sign, and the same amount would be around 60 times greater if you were to invest in ALFleet instead of USA market. Other than that, the revenue of ALFleet is supposed to increase by more than 20% as compared to the previous numbers, and the higher the growth of revenue, you can relate that to your profits as well as the authenticity of the company. As of now, ALFleet is profitable, and other than that, it also has high quality earnings. This makes us sure that the company is going to get more credibility in the near future, and you can get better numbers in return for your investments in the same. Now we should discuss liabilities. The amount of short-term assets of the company is around $420 million, which is quite a lot. Let's now compare that with short-term and long-term liabilities. The amount of ALFleet's short-term liabilities is around $11 million, and the long-term liabilities is around $31 million. This is great, as you always want to see the number of assets being more than liabilities. This tells a lot about the company and what you might expect it from in the future. Now let me tell you about the debt-to-equity ratio of ALFleet. You'll be happy to know that ALFleet is almost debt-free. And as per the records we've received, the ratio of debt to equity is just around 0.4%. This is almost negligible, and if you're getting ready to invest in some company, you might want to make sure it's not rooted deep in debt. Since ALFleet is not, it's a great sign for you to go ahead. As far as the staff is concerned, ALFleet is a company with fairly young staff. The average tenure of the working people is around half a year, and it shows employees are quite new. This could be a good thing though, since many companies are striving to get younger minds to take over the creative ideas and head of the department. As of now, the price of the stock is around $7, and based on the evidence, it might soon be reaching $12, or even more than that in a really short time. This will be great to see. So, let us know what you think about it in the comment section. Let us know what you thought about this video as well, and if you have any questions, do let us know, as we'd love to answer them. But this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because I'm sure you'll love them. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.